Hi, I'm Aiden, owner of Mid-Atlantic Water, and today we're going to talk about the backwashing acid neutralizer. You may have seen my video on the non-backwashing acid neutralizer, which is the unit that we sell the most of, and the number one reason is it doesn't waste water. This is the 5600 SXT electronic acid neutralizer. It's an automatic backwashing system. Typically we'll set this to backwash every 7 days, or if you have iron in the water, you may have to backwash it every 2, every 3, every 4 days, depending upon the water usage in your home. This is a 1.5 cubic foot or a 10 by 54 size tank. It holds approximately 3 50-pound bags of the calcite media, which is included in the package. It has an electronic valve. You can program the backwash minutes. You can do a 5-minute backwash, a 10-minute backwash, depending upon the condition of your water. You can do a 5-minute rapid rinse, which is the final cycle before it goes back into service. Or you can do a 10-minute or a 15-minute rapid rinse. It all depends on the quality of your water, how much sediment you might have, or how much iron you might have. That has a fill port. Funnel's included with the system. The funnel fits right into this fill port, so when it comes time to add calcite, it's very simple to do. You basically shut your water supply off, open a cold water faucet, let that run until the water stops and it releases all the pressure on the system. And then you're going to siphon out, I use a 3-foot piece of garden hose, siphon out a 5-gallon bucket of water, and then add your media through the funnel. Replace the cap, I leave it a little bit loose. Keep your faucet open, open your supply line about 1/4 of the way. Let it fill up slowly. When water starts to come out of the fill port, then I just hand tighten it until it stops. Let the water flow to the faucet or outside hose bib, whichever one is open, then slowly pressurize it fully. Let it run for about 10 minutes to rinse the calcite dust out. Now this is also an almond colored semi-translucent tank, so you can take a bright light like a LCD mag light, hold it up. You can monitor the level of the calcite, so you know whether it needs to be filled every 6 to 12 or 18 months, depending upon water usage. We typically keep it about 10 inches from the fill port. You need to have that what they call freeboard between the media and the top of the tank so it can backwash properly. This unit also has 24-volt transformer, so it doesn't use a lot of electricity. Has a 1/2-inch drain connection for your backwash. This 1/2-inch bar fitting is included. Stainless steel lever actuated bypass is included as well, with 3/4-inch inlet and outlet, female thread. And again, it is electronic. We really don't sell the mechanical units much anymore. The demand has pretty much trickled down to almost zero, maybe one mechanical unit every couple of years, and that's usually the old-time plumbers that love that old Fleck 5600 mechanical system. But this is, again, the 5600 SXT digital 1.5 cubic foot backwashing acid neutralizer. It's recommended for pH levels of 6 to 6.9. Now, if you're going to use it on pH levels of, say, 5.5, you're going to make a 90-10 mix of calcite and flow mag, which is Chorus X. That's 90% calcite, 10% flow mag. If it's, if you use a lot of water, you may need to make an 80-20 mix, and you can order the flow mag on our site separately. A 50-pound bag will last you probably, depending on how often you have to service it, it could be 3 to 5 years. So that's actually a pretty good deal. But if you have any questions about this system or the backwashing acid neutralizers, because we do have the larger units in the 2510 SXT control valve available, give us a call at 800-460-5810 or email me at support@midatlanticwater.net.